Back again to Learn with Your Brain. I'm still your coach, Dr. Donald Maxey from Learn with Your Brains. And today I'm going to show you why you should stop using WhatsApp now. Very, very important. But if you care to know, or if you just want to use WhatsApp, as your own problem, because I can't tell you what to use, but this is kind of a basic security advice I'm giving you why you should stop using WhatsApp now. When you go to the whatsapp.com/legal/updates/privacy policy, they say what is legal info. When you come to their page, they have a whole lot of stuff going on here. Okay, but we need to get to the important. Say what information we collect. WhatsApp must receive and collect information to provide and improve, understand and customize support markets of a service. When you collect the information, they use it to market our service, including when you install, access, or use our service. Mostly people are just ignorant. I don't care about that, because mostly when they are downloading an application, they don't read. They just come out, hey, there's a new application in town. They just go, yeah, I need to install this application. It's so nice. Now, before you download any application, you need to read. That is why you are aligned with your brains, okay? Always use your brain to learn and read to get the main thing before you download any application, just for your security reason. Now, they are saying information we collect, they use it to market our service, including when you install, access it, and use our service. No one cares. So you can go ahead and install. That's your own problem. But as I told you, the security advice I'm giving you, and you see all the information you provide, your account information, your messages, and the problem is because WhatsApp has been in existence for almost, let's say, almost 15 to almost getting to 18 years, because the initial release of WhatsApp was around 2009. Yeah, I know most people were in, I think, senior high school, some were in junior high school, and a whole lot of stuff. Some were in the university by then, okay? And the alternative I'm going to show you also was released around 2013 and 2014. I'll come to that. So when we go through all these policies, okay, there are a whole lot of things they are saying here, third-party information, and now this is how they use our information. We use information we have, subject to choices you make in the applicable law to operate, provide and understanding and customize support, and market our service. Yes, our service, we use information we have to operate. There's a whole lot of things they are, and they come here and say safety, security, and integrity are integral part of our service. We use information we have to verify accounts, activity, combat harmful conduct, protect users. Always they will tell you they protect users against bad experience and spams. Now, there are a whole lot of hacking going on WhatsApp now, when people accounts are being hacked without their knowledge. And you see they brought out a security policy that you need to enter some 6-digit number of code. Okay, now that is part of a security policy they brought to help to secure the app. Okay, but let me show you something why you should stop using WhatsApp now and use the alternative. But I'm not giving you, I'm just giving you advice. You can use it. Well, I use WhatsApp myself, but I don't share most information on WhatsApp. Okay? When I'm dealing with like cool stuff, I use an application called Signal, because it's quite not interesting when you're using Signal, because they don't have like how WhatsApp has implemented that 30-second update or status. Signal doesn't have that kind of stuff. Just quick message you send, so people see it to be boring. But that is the very security app you should be using by now. Okay, but let me show you something. When you go to the App Store, okay, let Let me open this so that you see something here. Now this is WhatsApp. The developer WhatsApp Inc., that is a company, indicated that the app privacy practice may include handling of data and discrepancy. Now look at the most dangerous thing right here. This is why I say you should stop using WhatsApp, and that's your own. Now your data linked to the following. Now anything you purchase, because WhatsApp is linked to Facebook, because Zuckerberg is still the owner of WhatsApp and Instagram. Okay, so everything you purchase here is being linked, the data to them. Financial info, contact info, location, contact user. Now if this hacker is able to hack your Facebook account and you have pages that link with your payment, now your credit card is gone. It starts using. Now why should an app be linking this purchase, financial, contact, location, and a whole lot of stuff to Facebook or to WhatsApp? That will be linked to Facebook. So the moment, because WhatsApp is an acquisition of Facebook, Instagram is the same because he's the owner of WhatsApp. Other application he owns now. So you see, purchase, financial info, the most dangerous thing. Can you link my financial info to an application without it being encrypted? It means if something or somebody hack your account, you are in danger. That's one thing. Now look at WhatsApp. Now look at Telegram. Telegram, data link to you. Now this is the only information Telegram share. That's your contact info, contacts, and identifier. These identifiers, like anytime like somebody send you a message on WhatsApp, you can even see the person, identify him by his picture or something on Telegram. And I know you've experienced it. Okay, we look at a whole lot of data WhatsApp is what sharing, and look at what Telegram is sharing. Just your contact. There's no purchase, no financial info they are trying to share with anybody in the world. And now look at Signal. It shares only contact info. Any information that is private is encrypted. No one is going to see that information. So, as I told you, I've just given you a brief understanding on some app you need to stop using now and use these two applications for your, maybe you're talking about some transactions, some secret information you don't want people to know, or your data being linked to other third party. My friend, you need to start using Telegram and Signal. That's the best option. Then you use WhatsApp to share a whole lot of information, which is quite dangerous, because when an attacker gets in, you are in trouble. So firstly, when you download any app, try to read. I know people just go, they download WhatsApp without reading all this information, and even don't check any stuff. You say, hey, have new app, it's so nice, you can take video. Mostly ladies fall into this kind of trouble, because all they know is to take pictures, take videos, and a whole lot of that. That's all what they know. When they are using some kind of application, they'll be using a whole lot of filters. Yo, this is my new curly hair and a whole lot of stuff. No, man, you need to start to read so that you get what to do and what to do and how you share your information. Because the name I use on Facebook is not the same name I use on Telegram. That is how secure you can be. Don't try to use the real name and stuff on these social media apps, because when they get your info, you are just in trouble. Now you'll be complaining your account is hacked and you'll be going up and down. As we protect you, when you come, we're gonna charge you to do all this kind of stuff for you talking about. So just always read before you use an application. I hope you got some insightful knowledge of how supposed to go. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Show you a whole lot of stuff about security stuff on this channel. So learn with your brain. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like, so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video for people to also get knowledge about it. And I hope I'll see you next time, so we talk more about cybersecurity, penetrators, and bug bounty hunting. Take care of yourselves. See you And I'm still consultant Dr. Don Messi from Learn with Your Brains. Adios, goodbye, ciao.